What's up, you guys? So we got another mod for the Tacoma, essential one, I think. Let's show you. We got the arc splash guards. You can already tell these are way bigger than the stock mud flaps that come with the Tacoma. Heavy duty. Got the screws and all that. Pretty good, but let's show you the stock mud flaps. So as you guys can tell, stock mud flaps are a joke. Even with the stock tires I had, these barely any coverage. With these bigger tires and wheels, now it's only covering half the wheel. It's pretty ridiculous. Yeah, doesn't even work. Let's show you the rear. Same with the rear, half the tire coverage. It's a joke. A lot of users of the Tacoma, a lot of new owners and stuff are reporting, you know, tons of rock chips hitting the rear fender right here, and you know, messing up the paint because the paint's not too good on Tacomas or Toyotas in general. But all this is chipped up on most of the trucks. I do a lot of off-roading, so I'm lucky that, you know, I haven't really had any chips in my paint from rocks. So I don't want it to happen, so that's why I got these mud flaps. So let's get these installed and get to it. So it might look funny with these on here, but as you can see, look how much coverage that is compared to the stock mud flap. I won't have any issues with mud or rocks flying up and hitting the truck now. Hopefully it doesn't look too funny. Just take out that bolt, that one, these ones, and the back one. So here's after installing these mud flaps. You can see total coverage of the tire now. I'm not gonna have rocks chipping this back here or anything like that, like what happens to most guys. But let me know what you guys think. I know mud flaps aren't that cool. And with 33s this fits. But if I had 35s that want it, you obviously have to take that plate out. Would have to cut all that right there. But luckily I have 33s and it fits. So let's look at the rear. I'm not really a fan at sticking out past the fender flare, but it's not too bad. But let me know what you guys think about this. Just a little mod you guys can do. Please like, comment, and subscribe, you guys, and stay tuned for more Toyota content. Check out my description for links and discount codes. But thanks for watching.